The world of digital pianos has seen remarkable advancements over the past few years, with brands like Casio and Alesis stepping up their offerings alongside industry giants like Roland and Yamaha. There's a plethora of options to consider. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, finding the right digital piano tailored to your needs is crucial. In this video, I have curated a list of the top 5 digital pianos in 2024 to assist you in making an informed decision. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Casio CPP S360. It is my choice for best portable digital piano. With 700 tones including a stereo grand piano and 200 rhythms, it offers a wide range of musical possibilities. The 88-key weighted hammer action keyboard provides a realistic playing experience with simulated ebony and ivory textures. Its slim design makes it easy to transport, weighing less than 25 pounds. It's suitable for all skill levels and designed to work seamlessly with the free Casio Music Space app for iOS and Android. Additionally, it's compatible with the optional WUBT10 Bluetooth MIDI and audio adapter, allowing for wireless connectivity. For added convenience, it also has optional battery power with an AC adapter included. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned musician, this digital piano offers versatility and portability without compromising on quality. Number 4. Roland FP30X. Looking for the best reliable digital piano? This one boasts an 88-key setup, perfect for beginners. Its standout feature is its portability, making it easy to move around. With its supernatural piano sound engine, it offers a wide range of expression, from soft to loud. The PHA-4 standard keyboard provides an authentic acoustic piano touch. It also comes with a powerful 22-watt stereo speaker system for immersive sound. Despite its power, it maintains a compact footprint, fitting well into any home. Plus, the bundle includes a stand, 3-pedal unit, bench, instructional DVD, online piano lessons, and a polishing cloth. It's a complete package for those starting their piano journey or looking for a reliable instrument. Number 3. Donner DTP 100. This is best for beginners digital piano with 88 fully weighted keys, offering a stable and realistic feel. The keys precisely match finger strength changes, resembling a true piano experience. Its streamlined design features a wooden cabinet with a sliding key cover for protection. The piano's special feature includes weighted keys, ensuring a comfortable playing experience for learners. With 128 polyphony, this digital piano produces excellent sound quality. It allows MP3 input and has a built-in amplifier, catering to various settings with external sound or headphone options. The instrument undergoes meticulous testing and adjustment to enhance sound realism, aiding in developing a keen ability to distinguish tones. Number 2. Alesis Recital. I recommend this as the best value digital piano. It comes in black with 88 semi-weighted keys suitable for all skill levels. You get 5 voices to choose from, including acoustic piano, electric piano, organ, synth, and bass. With built-in FX like chorus and reverb, plus 2 20-watt speakers, the sound is crystal clear. You can connect it to a sustained pedal and headphones for private practice, or to speakers or amplifiers for performances. It's powered by an adapter or D-cell batteries for portability. Educational features include standard, split, layer, and lesson modes with 128-note max polyphony. You also get 60 free virtual lessons from Melodics to improve your skills across genres. Plus, a 3-month premium subscription to Scoob offers expert interactive online piano lessons. It's a feature-packed electric keyboard tailored to your preferences, suitable for playing anywhere and honing your piano skills effectively. Number 1. Yamaha P225B. And this is the best overall digital piano on our list. It's from Yamaha, comes in a sleek black color, and boasts 88 weighted keys suitable for all skill levels. The graded hammer compact keyboard action ensures an authentic piano experience in a space-saving design. One standout feature is the CFX Premium Grand Piano voice, delivering powerful tones akin to a concert grand piano. Virtual resonance modeling further enhances realism by simulating the resonance of piano strings and body. The half-damper pedal offers precise control over sustain for nuanced performances. Plus, the Smart Pianist app elevates your experience with additional functions beyond the piano's capabilities alone. Wrapping up our journey through the best digital pianos of 2024, remember to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow music enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews. Happy playing!